Hi everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we have a very special guest with us today. Who do we have?
Daddy!
Yes, their daddy is in the kitchen with us today to share one of his family's recipes with us. One of the recipes that I always think of as a Sunday dinner recipe. So today we will be making baking powder biscuits. Take it away.
Okay, what's the first ingredient, Helen?
2/3 cup
Shortening.
shortening.
Okay.
Can I help you?
Yeah,
Wait,
we have to run the knife around and get it out of the cup.
And then do we have to stir or do something?
Put that in there. Sounds like our oven's to temperature. Okay, what's next, Helen? 3.5 cups
flour.
of flour.
Can
Okay.
I do it?
Yep, you put that one in, Michael.
Who's next?
1. Okay. And half.
Sometimes that's what we have to do.
2.5.
You ready to get to that?
And
One more.
one more. 3.5. That's a lot of flour. Okay, what's next on there, Helen?
5 teaspoons baking powder.
5 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, this is
A
baking
very
powder.
important step.
Very important. Yes.
Well,
Can
it
you
is
count
called...
for me, Michael?
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That
That's
was
4.
4,
One more is...
5.
5.
Good job.
Okay.
What's next,
What's
Helen?
next, Helen? 1.5 teaspoons of
salt.
Okay. So we have 1.
Can I dump it in? Yeah, please.
Let's let Helen dump this one, okay?
1.
And a half. Good thing you washed your hands, Michael.
Yeah.
They've been in there a lot. Here you go, Michael.
Much.
Oh, okay.
2.
Boom. All right, what's next?
Uh,
Milk. Okay, now what I remember from when Grandma taught me how to make these is you add the milk a little bit at a time. So how
Don't
much?
you cut in the shortening with it first?
I don't.
Oh, okay.
No. And I don't use this.
Oh,
what do you use, Daddy?
My hands.
You better wash them.
So 1.5 cups of milk. So we're gonna put
Why
about
don't-
half
why-
of it in.
Why doesn't Michael do it? Because his hands.
And then,
his hands are dirty already, aren't they?
then we just start
Maybe
stirring it together.
Maybe I should do it.
You can help.
Go ahead, Michael.
I think we're gonna need more milk than that, huh?
Uh-huh. Can I do the next one?
Keep going. Okay. Let's stir it together, okay? We want it to be just a little bit sticky
Yeah.
and pulled together.
Is it sticky?
Yeah. That means it's sticky.
Well,
Yes.
You know why I like to do it this way?
Because you like to get your hands dirty and because you're a farmer.
And because it's a lot easier to wash my hands than that little pastry thing.
Okay.
Okay. So it's still just a little too dry. So I think we need just a little bit more milk in there.
And then we have to do it
That's
again.
good.
But if we need more, just add some more.
Yep.
But I think we need some more. Daddy, your ring's gonna get all.
That's alright. It'll wash off.
I know it will. You do that all the time.
Okay.
See,
Just
look.
about got it. See how it's holding together?
Yeah. Daddy, can
Kinda
I do it? Can I do it now?
Yep. You squeeze it a little, I'll clean my fingers off. Do you see any flour that hasn't been mixed in yet?
Nope.
Just a little on the sides of the bowl, but that's okay. Alright, that looks pretty good.
Oh, and Daddy, you're doing get messy.
Good.
Oh, really?
Alright, so the next thing we have to do, I think,
Can I use
is
my
put
hand?
some flour on the counter.
cut shortening into flour.
We already did that.
Yep.
We're all the way in the
I
next.
think we're on the back of the card now.
Okay. Milk, so mixture leaves side up. Bowl and rolls up into ball. I like to use my pad down.
Okay, I'm going to move that back
Into ball.
there, okay? And we're going to put just a little bit of flour on the counter.
Wait. So we do it with our hands.
Try and keep it on the counter, okay? There we
Then
go.
it's all white and black.
And then we're going to put this out on it and start to flatten it out a little bit.
Well, mix so that you need turn dough onto lightly floured surface.
Okay, that's what we just did. Knead lightly 10 times.
Hey, Dad. Roll. So I had to roll up here. What? I don't get this. Cool.
I'm kneading it right now.
Daddy, I was going to roll it. Can I roll it? Mm-mm.
I think you can each roll it a little bit. But first, I like to put a little bit of flour on the rolling pin so it doesn't stick. Okay? All right. Roll it a little bit, Michael. Make sure you push down hard. Flatten it out.
So, Daddy.
All right, let's see if Helen wants a turn.
I do.
Okay. Scooch, Michael.
Michael.
Here.
No!
I'm going to move you over here so
No.
Helen can reach.
You got me all messy.
It's okay. It's baking. You're supposed to get messy.
Okay.
No.
No, Helen's going to do 2 more. And then Michael's going to do 2 more. And then I'm going to finish it up, okay? Helen, can you see how thick it's supposed to be when we're done? I think it said on there. Approximately 1/2 to 1 inch thick. Alright, let me just finish that up, Michael.
No, I got it.
It's
Okay,
Daddy's
I'm
turn.
going to go a little bit thinner with it, though. And I
Done it before.
have done it before, and I can push down a little bit harder. Because I'm bigger.
Hey, Dad, I'm gonna make me stronger.
So then, once it's about there...
I might let them all in case I want to make a really big one.
Oh.
Well, we're going to cut them next and make them into individual
Yep.
sized
Can I do the
biscuits.
cutting?
You guys can each cut some.
Ooh, is it gonna be a butter knife?
No.
It's a
What does it
very
say on
special
there?
tool.
Use a biscuit cutter, or if you don't have a biscuit cutter, you can use
What is this, Helen?
A glass.
a glass. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the first one.
Okay.
Just push it down and twist,
That's
and
it.
Michael can do one. Put it real close. We want to use all the dough. No, way over here. Way over here. There you go. Push, push, push.
Use all your
Push,
muscles.
push, push.
Woo!
There you go. Okay, do one more, and then we're going to switch places so Helen can do it. Push down. Push, push, push. Hard, hard, hard. Twist, twist, twist. All right. Now we'll let Helen do a couple.
She's gonna do a one.
Oh, right here, right here. There you go. She's going to do 2. And then I get to do 2, right? Because we're taking turns. Want your circles to touch. There you go.
That's a lot of doing.
Okay.
Good job, guys.
Two.
While they finish doing that, I'm going to put these in the very hot oven of 450 degrees and let them bake 10 to 12 minutes.
Mommy.
And once we're done, once they've come out of the oven, we will come right back to you guys. Biscuits are out of the oven, the kitchen is all cleaned up, and I think we are ready to smell some really yummy biscuits.
Delicious.
They are very hot, so we are going to eat them right now. But here are some serving suggestions. Strawberry jam, especially if it's homemade,
Or
honey, or butter, all are
Whatever you
very
want.
good.
whatever you want on yours.
Maybe all 3.
All 3? Yes, absolutely.
You might eat all 3 for breakfast.
I might.
Sounds like we've got a plan going on over here. I hope you guys had fun, and we'll see you again next week.